Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the X-Men Tornado V2 and the YUHU Magnetic Megaminx V2. Let's get right into the unboxing. Alright, we're going to do the X-Men Tornado V2 first because that's the first thing I pulled out of the box. Wow, this is fancy. So it looks like right here is the accessory. That's a big accessory box. So here's the accessory box, and here's the cube. I did not get this pro setup, so it's not going to be a lube. How do I open this? Oh, that was easy. Alright. Alright, this cube is really quiet, actually. I don't know if my other cubes are just noisy, but it's really quiet. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see this, but there's magnets right here, and you can set it. The plus gets stronger and the minus is weaker. So I'm pretty sure if it's minus, I think it would be the fastest. I'm probably wrong. Just write it somewhere on the screen. Alright, let's do some outs. Oh, I completely screwed that one up. Alright, I'm not used to cubes like this because I've so far only gotten budget cubes. So this cube I'm starting to get used to it, but I think I'm gonna have to change the settings a bit. And yeah, so there's settings under these center caps, but Alright, it's clearly impossible to get them open. But yeah, so this cube is pretty good. And let's do solve, I guess. I'm gonna have to set the settings so I like it a lot, but this cube is pretty light. I got this from speedcubeshop.com. I got all of these packages actually from speedcubeshop.com. This cube was $25. And to be honest, I don't know, but for me, I've only gotten budget cubes. For me, you know, all this customization seems really good for $25. Alright, that was 28.452. So I've heard this cube does not have good reverse corner cutting, but if you've seen my other videos, kind of clear I'm not good at corner cutting. I'm not gonna check out this cube much longer. I'll probably do a review on it. Comment down below if you want a review, but I'll do a review when I find out how these center caps open. Alright, for the next cube we got the 2x2x3, and how it solves, no one cares. Wait, what? Okay. This feels so weird to turn. And I don't know anything about 2x2x3, so guess it's good. Next we have the YUHU Megaminx this is a magnetic Megaminx for $12. Hope it's good. Oh yeah, by the way, I think this 2x2x3 was like $8 or something. Put the price somewhere on the screen. Okay, so. I only gotten one other Megaminx before. Oh yeah, by the way, this is also not part of setup. None of these cubes I have are pro setup. And whoa, this is really good. I'm not sure if it's just me, because I got one Megaminx before, and it sucks. Anyways, this cube is actually really nice to turn. The other Megaminx that I have is hard to turn, so I can do like one solve, and then I'll be done, because I do so much turns on Megaminx. I'm not the greatest solver, but I started to want to get good at Megaminx, and this cube is awesome. So, what I want to say is I got $11 Megaminx from Amazon, and that's the Megaminx I'm talking about earlier. This Megaminx is a lot better, and it's just $1 more. So, I don't think you should get that $11 Amazon Megaminx. It's a QiYi Megaminx. I'll write the name somewhere on the screen, but it's a QiYi Megaminx. I'm not saying QiYi's bad or anything, but that Megaminx is, well, I mean, pretty expensive for how bad it is. Alright, this is a really good Megaminx, and I actually kind of suggest this. Maybe, I don't think you should get the Megaminx that I got for your first Megaminx, because it might make you not want to do Megaminx anymore, because it's so hard to turn. Next up, we have, oh no, it's a mirror cube. I'm not going to open these packages. Perfect. Alright, so while I'm unwrapping this, I guess I'll talk a bit about this cube. This cube is a shapeshift puzzle, as you can see. It's white on every single side. You can get it gold and other colors, but I just got it white. I think this was, I'll write the price somewhere, because I don't know all of this price. Huh? Okay. Oh, this is gonna be a great time solving later. Well, this cube turns pretty smoothly. I don't want to do too much turns because I might mess up the cube. Let's just try an algorithm from 3x3. Oh no. I hope if I do that algorithm again, I did some turns. Hopefully that fixed it. Oh no. Alright, so this will just be scrambled forever. And actually this isn't last. I was about to say last, but here we have the 3x3x2. It's QiYi. I'll write more information somewhere. I'll write the name and price again. I'm pretty sure most of these are around, oh. Okay. Most of these around $8, I think, is right. No, there's no hidden pieces. For a second, I thought I could turn that. Okay, so I bet this, I don't know, what could be easier, the 2x2x3 or the 3x3x2? Write what you think in the comments. Okay, so here we have my worst enemy, the 1x1. This cube might be my hardest cube I'm gonna get. So, yeah. Where do I open this? Okay, I got it open. Alright, so you can attach this keychain to, let's see, right here, white, green, orange. I don't know how to, so. Alright, let's try to solve on this. study. Nice. Well, this is a good scramble. Ooh, wow. This is gonna be a close one. Ooh, can I get my PB on this? Yes, that's my new personal best on 1x1. Got good. I got that camera. Here's Stardust lube. It suggested it with the expansion it'll be 2. And here we have the GAN 330 keychain. Why do they have such weird ways of opening all of them? Oh, whoa. Alright, I got it open. Oh, this is actually kind of smooth. Alright, so, white, orange, blue, you can put in this nice GAN cube keychain. And this is, I think, 30 millimeters because of the name says 330. So this is pretty small. I can't imagine what the smallest cube is if this is small to me. But I actually am going pretty fast on it. You know what? This might be my new main. I'm just joking. Do not try taking this to competitions because this hole right here is not legal. And let's do a solve on this. I don't know, I'm having a harder time finding pieces. Oh, I did the wrong algorithm. That's okay. Never mind. I just looked at the time and I was like, why am I taking so long? Oh no. Wow. I stink at this. This is not gonna be my new main. Okay guys, that's about it. And thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that bell. I don't know, never mind. Hit that bell and see you in the next one.